Otra vez aquí conmigo para practicar la I. Today, we're going to practice the I. And the I is pronounced, if you can remember, like the way we pronounce the word sí. E is the pronunciation of our I in Spanish. Remember that our vowel sounds in Spanish do not change. They always sound the same. So if it's E, it's always going to be E. We don't change our vowels the way we change our vowels in English. So now let's go over a couple of commonly mispronounced words. Same thing, we want to remember that when we get a word in English that's similar to the word in Spanish, that the pronunciation of the vowel sounds have to change. Otherwise, we're speaking with a very heavy accent, and even though it might be the same word, it might not be understood from our Spanish listener. They may not understand us through our accents the way that sometimes we don't understand others through their accent. So, our goal is to minimize that accent as much as we can through proper pronunciations of our letters. So now, the letter I is pronounced E. Notice that this is similar in active, and this is similar to the word in Spanish. Now, in the English word, we say in active. Notice the difference in sounds between the in sound and the in sound in Spanish. This is pronounced in, like in, and this is pronounced in, like e. Remember, our I's are E's, in. So we're not saying in activo, we're saying inactivo. Inactivo. Remember to keep that sound, be faithful to that sound in Spanish. Don't get away from it because that is our proper Spanish sound. That's going to minimize our accent. So, go over another commonly mispronounced word. Same word in Spanish except for the end of the word changes. Possibility is the word. Possibility. So, what usually happens, we get so excited this word is similar. I know this word. I can say this word. And we end up saying posibilidad with a heavy accent to them. Posibilidad. What do we have to do? We didn't get to the O's yet, but that O has to change. That O sound has to change to a O. The I sound changes because in English we say possibility. In Spanish, the O sound is never a, it's always O, so we want to change this to O. In Spanish, in Spanish, the I's are E's, not E. E's. We need to make sure that every one of these are E's, and we learned our A's. Our A's are always A. We have to be faithful to these vowel sounds. So, let's change them. Posibilidad. Posibilidad. That is the proper pronunciation of this word. So now let's go over a few of these letters that or these words that we have with the I sound in them. Libro. Libro. Sin. Sin. Hija. Hija. Sí. Sí. Dice. Remember, our E's is never going to be dice. 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 This is a word that commonly gets mispronounced also. This is mil, not mil. Mil. Keep that, be faithful to that sound. Mil. Chica. Chica. Piso. Piso. Civil. Civil. Recibir. Recibir. Cine. Cine. Crisis. Crisis. So that is the pronunciation of our I sounds. And next we're going to move on to our O sounds. See you next time.